Hello po sa lahat, welcome back po ulit sa ating channel. Apartment project ni Ma'am Lorilyn Kadang. Apartment floor plan. Six-unit apartment. Start building an apartment January 2018. This apartment located in Laguna, Philippines. Structural, ground floor area or first floor. Preparing for concrete slab for second floor. Plastering o finishing ng apartment. Doors o mga pintuan ng unit. Door for room. Kitchen. Toilet and bath. Apartment Unit 1. Apartment Unit 2. Apartment Unit 3. Iniba po ni ma'am yung color ng pintura bawat unit. Building an apartment, January 2018. Natapos po itong first floor apartment noong March 2018. Building an apartment for first floor, 3 unit, 1.6 million pesos with labor. Pinagpatuloy ni ma'am ang pagpapagawa ng apartment para sa second floor noong January 2019. Rib type long span color roof. Ang sukat po nitong apartment, mayroon po itong 288 square meter total floor area at mayroon po itong 6 unit. Bawat unit po nito is 48 square meter at ang sukat nitong lote is 180 square meter po. Bawat palapag nitong apartment mayroon po itong kabuuan na sukat na 144 square meter. Shoutout po pala tayo sa lahat-lahat nating mga viewers, lalo na sa walang sawang sumusuporta at sumasabay-bay sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po mga ma'am at saka sir. God bless to all. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Jocelyn Enriquez watching from Dubai. Shoutout kay Ma'am Lynn from DOFW watching from Saudi Arabia. Kay Ma'am Josephine Redito, shoutout po ma'am, watching from Russia. Kay Ma'am Ems Rock, shoutout po ma'am, watching from Qatar. Kay Sir John Nituda, shoutout po sa iyo sir. Ma'am Leslie Melo, shoutout po sa iyo ma'am, kumusta po? Sa gusto po pala magpa-shoutout, comment below lang po kayo at saka ilagay nyo po kung saan po kayo naroroon ngayon. Maraming salamat. Si ma'am ay nagtatrabaho sa South Korea. 6 years na rin siyang abroad. May asawa from Laguna, Philippines. Congrats ma'am Loreline Kadang. God bless. Natapos po ang project ni ma'am na apartment noong October 2019. At lahat ng unit ay mayroon na pong umuupa. Building an apartment, 3 million Philippine peso po, 60,000 US dollar. Congrats ma'am Loreline Kadang. Thank you so much mga ka-OFW. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please subscribe na sa Randy Hierro YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit bell button for our latest updates.